Okay, in this exercise, I'm going to show you the very basic journal entries for selling or issuing preferred stock and common stock. Um, so let's see here. It says, first of all, we're going to issue common stock. Issued for cash 65,000 shares, $12 par, common stock at 41. Okay, there's the information we need. Par means what is printed on the certificate. So you could think of it this way. They printed $12 on a certificate and they sold it for 41. There are three accounts involved here. Cash, we're going to debit cash. We're going to credit common stock. So let's see. How many shares? 65,000. And how much did we get? 41. Now, what was printed on these 65,000 shares at 12? That's how you start. So the cash that we received is a big number, 2,665. I'm running out of space here. We're going to credit common stock always for the amount that is printed on the stock, and that's going to be 780. Now, they paid us extra, and we're going to account for that by putting it in this extra account. I call it APIC hyphen common stock. I'll explain this APIC account in a second, but first let's finish this journal entry. Debits must equal credits, so I have to add another credit here to make this journal entry balance. That will be 885. Now it bounces. It's a little quirky, and there's nothing very profoundly important about this APIC. It's kind of a dumb little thing. APIC stands for additional paid in capital. In this context, capital means cash. Additional paid in cash or capital in excess of par. Par is what's printed on the certificate. Now everything is electronic and they don't even print certificates, but that's the concept. So that's the journal entry to issue common stock. What we're going to do next is issue some preferred stock right there. It follows the same format. We're going to debit cash to increase the cash, because you increase cash with a debit on the debit side, on the left side. We're going to credit preferred stock, and we're going to credit APIC hyphen preferred stock. How many shares? 160,000 shares. How much did we get? The market value? We got 11. What was printed on these shares? The par value is 8. And then you're going to have some extra. So you're going to have a number there, and a number there, and a number there. I'll let you finish it. Question B says, what's the total amount invested? Well, you could either add all the debits or you could add all the credits, and that's the total amount that is invested. Okay, there you go.